Imagine a potato, plucked from the earth. It's been basking in the sun, soaking up nutrients. Now, it's ready for an adventure. Our potato friend travels miles from the farm to a mega factory. This isn't just any factory, it's a French fry wonderland. The factory is a symphony of rumbling machines and delicious smells. It's here that our little potato will transform. Get ready to witness the magic of technology and teamwork, all working together to create the perfect French fry. First stop, the sorting station. Here, the journey of our humble potato begins. It's a bustling place where countless spuds are lined up, ready to be evaluated. Each potato is carefully placed on a conveyor belt, moving steadily towards the first checkpoint. It's like a potato beauty pageant. Each potato is scrutinized meticulously. The machines are the judges, and they have a keen eye for detail. They look for the perfect shape, the right size, and the absence of any blemishes. It's a rigorous process, but it's necessary to ensure only the best make it through. Only the best spuds will do. These high-quality potatoes are the cream of the crop. They have passed the initial inspection and are now ready for the next stage. It's a moment of triumph for these spuds, but the journey is far from over. Machines with laser eyes scan each potato. These advanced machines use cutting-edge technology to ensure precision. The lasers can detect even the smallest imperfections, ensuring that only the finest potatoes move forward. It's a high-tech process that guarantees quality. They're checking for size, shape, and any blemishes. The machines are relentless in their pursuit of perfection. They measure each potato with incredible accuracy, ensuring that only those that meet the strict criteria are selected. It's a tough competition, but the stakes are high. It's tough competition, but only the cream of the crop makes it to the next round. These premium potatoes have proven their worth. They are now ready to move on to the next phase of their journey. It's a moment of pride for these spuds, but there's still a long way to go. Think of it like a roller coaster ride, but for potatoes. The conveyor belts whisk them away at high speed, taking them through twists and turns. It's an exhilarating ride, but it's also a crucial part of the process. The potatoes must be transported quickly and efficiently to ensure they remain fresh. Conveyor belts whisk the chosen ones away. These belts are the lifeline of the processing plant, moving the potatoes from one stage to the next. It's a seamless operation, designed to ensure that the potatoes are handled with care and precision. They rumble and shake, carrying our potato friend towards its destiny. The journey is not always smooth, but it's an essential part of the process. The potatoes must endure the rumbling and shaking to reach their final destination. The journey to becoming a French fry has officially begun. These potatoes have made it through the initial selection process and are now ready for the next stage. It's an exciting time for these spuds, as they move closer to becoming the delicious French fries we all love. Next up, a spa day. Well, not quite, but close enough. Our potato friend takes a dip in a bubbly bath. Special machines give it a thorough scrub-a-dub-dub. It's important to be squeaky clean before the big transformation. Swirling water and gentle brushes remove any dirt. Now our potato is sparkling clean and ready for the next stage of its adventure. The transformation is underway, and things are about to get even more exciting. Time for a makeover. Our potato friend enters a whirlwind of spinning blades. Don't worry, it's perfectly safe. These high-tech machines are experts at peeling and slicing. In a blink of an eye, the skin is gone and the potato is transformed into perfect, even strips. The precision of these machines is amazing. They ensure every fry is the ideal thickness, guaranteeing a crispy exterior and a fluffy interior. It's all about consistency, and these machines are the masters of their craft. Section 5. Frytastic Voyage, the Science of the Perfect Crunch. Welcome to the world where culinary art meets scientific precision. Today, we embark on a journey to uncover the secrets behind achieving the perfect crunch in French fries. Now for the main event, frying time. This is where the magic happens. The process of frying French fries is not just about dunking potato strips into hot oil. It's a meticulous procedure that requires attention to detail and an understanding of the science behind it. The potato strips take a dip in a hot oil bath. As they sizzle and bubble, the heat begins to work its magic. The oil temperature is crucial here. Too hot, and the fries will burn on the outside while remaining raw inside. Too cold, and they will absorb too much oil, becoming greasy and unappetizing. Giant vats bubble and sizzle, transforming those pale strips into golden brown perfection. The transformation is a result of the Maillard reaction, a chemical reaction between amino acids and reducing sugars that gives brown food its distinctive flavor. This reaction is what creates that irresistible golden crust on the fries. Sensors and timers work in perfect harmony, ensuring each batch is cooked to perfection. In an industrial setting, precision is key. Advanced technology monitors the temperature and frying time, making adjustments as needed to maintain consistency. This ensures that every fry, from the first to the last, meets the same high standards. This is where science meets deliciousness. The crispy exterior and soft interior are a result of careful control over the frying process. The outer layer dehydrates and crisps up, while the inside steams and becomes tender. The hot oil creates a crispy outer layer, while the inside stays soft and fluffy. This contrast in textures is what makes French fries so delightful to eat. The crunch you hear with each bite is a testament to the perfect balance achieved during frying. It's a delicate dance of heat and timing, all orchestrated by the magic of technology. From the moment the potatoes are sliced to the final golden fry, every step is carefully controlled. Workers and machines work together, monitoring and adjusting to ensure that each fry is a masterpiece of crunch and flavor. This blend of human expertise and technological innovation is what makes the perfect French fry possible. Section 6. Seasoning sensations, adding flavor to the mix. Fresh out of the fryer, the fries are ready for their final touch, seasoning. This is the moment where the magic truly happens. The crispy, golden fries are like a blank canvas, waiting to be transformed into a masterpiece of flavor. This is where things get really exciting. From classic salt to zesty spices, the possibilities are endless. You can go for a traditional approach with just a pinch of salt, or you can get adventurous and try something new. Imagine a sprinkle of paprika. This vibrant red spice not only adds a pop of color but also brings a subtle heat and a smoky flavor that can elevate your fries to a whole new level. Or a dash of garlic powder. Garlic lovers will appreciate the rich, savory notes that this seasoning brings. It's like a burst of umami in every bite. Special machines sprinkle the fries with just the right amount of flavor. These machines are designed to ensure that every fry is evenly coated, so you get a consistent taste with every bite. It's a symphony of aromas, filling the air with tantalizing scents that make your mouth water. The steam rising from the freshly seasoned fries carries the essence of each spice, creating an irresistible invitation to dig in. With each seasoning adding its own unique touch, you can create a variety of flavor profiles. Whether you prefer something spicy, tangy, or savory, there's a seasoning out there that will suit your taste. The perfect blend of flavor is the secret ingredient to an unforgettable French fry experience. It's not just about the fries themselves, but how the seasonings complement and enhance their natural taste. The right combination can turn a simple snack into a gourmet treat. Think about the variety of seasonings available. From herbs like rosemary and thyme to exotic spices like cumin and turmeric, the options are vast. Each seasoning brings its own character and can be mixed and matched to create a custom blend that's uniquely yours. Some chefs even create their own signature spice blends, combining different seasonings to craft a unique flavor profile. This is where creativity comes into play, allowing you to experiment and discover new taste sensations. And the best part? Sharing these deliciously seasoned fries with friends and family. There's something special about enjoying a perfectly seasoned fry with loved ones, creating memories that are as flavorful as the fries themselves. Don't forget about dipping sauces. The right sauce can complement the seasoning and add another layer of flavor. Whether it's classic ketchup, tangy barbecue, or creamy aioli, the combination of seasoning and sauce can make each bite a delightful experience. So next time you're enjoying French fries, take a moment to appreciate the seasoning. It's the final touch that brings everything together, turning a simple fry into a culinary delight. Enjoy the journey of flavors and savor every bite. Section 7. Packaging powerhouse, from factory to your plate. The journey is almost complete. Now, our crispy golden brown heroes are ready for their grand finale packaging. Machines swiftly sort and count the fries, dropping them into containers with lightning speed. Every detail matters. From the sturdy cardboard to the colorful designs, the packaging keeps the fries fresh and protected. Soon, they'll be racing to restaurants and supermarkets, ready to be enjoyed by hungry customers around the world. Section 8. Crispy conclusion. Enjoy the golden delight. And there you have it, the incredible journey of a potato transformed into a delicious French fry. It's a testament to the power of technology and the dedication of countless people working behind the scenes. So, next time you savor that crispy golden goodness, take a moment to appreciate the adventure behind every bite.